Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change language on the Pinduoduo app. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open the app itself. Once you open the app, you will need to connect to your WeChat account. If you're not logged in yet, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the settings like icon and log in with your WeChat. Once logged in, you will then be able to see a WeChat like icon beside your username. That means that you have logged in. Once logged in, head back to your home screen and then open up your WeChat application. Once you open the application, log into your account, and once logged in, you need to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar and then search for Pinduoduo. Once you search for it, here you will then be able to find the logo itself. Go ahead and simply select it. And now in search, here you'll have to go ahead and tap on this little three dot. Scroll this option, and here you will then be able to find an option that says translate. Tap onto it, and just like that, it will then be able to change the language. So that's it. Now your Pinduoduo application is translated into English through WeChat. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.